How trendy tutors poke pupils hungry for help. Trendy 追上潮流嘅 trendy tutors 一啲係新潮嘅 tutors 啦嘅補習教師。Hook pupils hook 呢個 verb 啦 ，hook 其實係一個魚鈎咁解啦 ，fish hook pupils 就係釣一啲學生咁，其實即係意思即係吸引啲學生，但係呢個字眼嗰個意思就比較上負面啲嘅嚇。Hook pupils hungry for help 即係好想人哋幫助佢就 hungry for help， 通常就話 hungry for food， 咁你可以話 hungry for sleep， 咁你就可以話好眼瞓 hungry for sleep，hungry for help， 好想就 hungry for。Their faces gaze from billboards and the backs of buses everywhere. Well-groomed, serious-looking professionals, often with catchy nicknames. The accompanying text spells out their expertise in various school subjects, such as maths and English. Their face gaze 就即係望住啦，凝視，目不轉睛望住咪 gaze。From billboards 就係即係廣告牌 billboards， 同埋嗰啲巴士嘅背後嗰啲廣告牌。Well-groomed 即係打扮。服飾好靚，打扮得好 well-groomed。Serious looking 睇嚟好嚴肅 serious looking。Professionals 就係一個專業人士 professionals。Often with catchy nicknames nickname 就係花名 catchy catch 就係吸引人哋 catch 就捉咁解啦。This catches my attention 引起我注意咪 This catches my attention 即係 catchy 咧係一個 adjective 咧就係富有吸引力嘅花名。The accompanying text accompanying 即係陪伴着的即係嗰個相跟住嗰啲字就咁就 accompanying text spells out說出字面 spell 當然係串出啦嚇 spells out 即係話說出咁啊，好清楚說出就 spells out 好清楚 spells out。 The expertise 咧就係即係話佢嘅專長 experts 就當然係專家啦 expertise 佢哋嘅專長喺不同嘅學科，例如數學啊、英文咁樣。They may be sitting serenely in their office suites or surrounded by beaming youngsters holding up handfuls of A result slips. But this highly public face of the celebrity tutors who make as much as $1 million a month from the desperate desire of parents to ensure the children get good grades at all costs is only part of the publicity machine Hong Kong's frenzied cram school industry has built up to lure pupils。 好多形容詞啦喺呢一段裏邊嚇。嗱佢哋可能係好平靜 serene 平靜 serenely 平靜 sitting calmly。 Office suites 就係即係話一個寫字樓嘅嘅辦公室。通常如果講 suites 啦，酒店嘅 suites 就講套房咁解啦。Surrounded by 環繞住有啲乜嘢咧 ？Beaming youngsters beaming 咧 beam 就係一個光線咁解。咁咧呢個咧就係形容嗰啲youngster 咧就係咧發出光輝或者話好神采飛揚。咁啊 beam 咧好似有燈射住嘅，咁啊 beaming。 光輝，好開心，好陽光氣息 ，beaming youngsters holding up handfuls of A result slips， 攞住嗰啲成績係 A 級嘅成績嘅紙咧，就 result slips 啊，即係嗰個會考嗰個證書啦。handfuls 即係一手就 handful， 咁呢個意思就即係話攞住一啲成績。咁但係通常如果我哋有時會講 only a handful of 啦，就變咗好少咁解啦。only a handful of， 但係呢度講 handfuls 咧，就即係話隻手攞住咁嘅意思，就冇話好少咁嘅意思嘅。This highly public face of celebrity tutors，celebrity 就出名嘅名人嘅，咁因為佢宣傳到咧佢係好似一名人咁啊，所以佢就用呢個 celebrity tutors 去形容佢哋啦。一個月咧可以賺100萬一個月。From the desperate desire of parents， desperate 好渴求啦。譬如我而家好口渴啦，咁就話 I'm desperate for water， desperate， 咁啊 desperate desire 好渴求，咁啊 desperate desire。啲家長啦 ensure 即係話確保。Sure 就肯定 ，ensure to make sure 確保。The children get good grades at all cost。嗱呢個有一個 phrase at all cost， 不惜付出任何代價，就唔係 at any cost 咯。如果直譯就係 at any cost， 但係英文係講 at all cost， 不惜付出任何代價嚇。Ensure good grade at all costs. It is only part of the publicity machine。 呢個係 publicity 就係宣傳 ，publicity machine 就係宣傳機器 ，publicity machine。 Frenzied 瘋狂的，frenzied。 Cram school industry， cram 就係狂塞落去，咁就 cram 啦。He crammed the food into his mouth， 塞落去 cram。cram school 咧就即係話嗰個填鴨式嘅學校，就 cram school。cram school industry 呢個工業，填鴨式學校工業。Spelled up to lure pupils。 lure 咧就即係誘惑，去引誘。比較上attract 啦，就係正面啲嘅吸引啊！你做一啲正義嘅嘢吸引。lure 咧就係用一啲比較上旁門左道啲嘅嘢去吸引人，咁呢個誘惑人哋叫 lure pupils。Schools use a web of incentives, including star performances, free gifts, and gift redemption points that have children pressing their parents to send them to tutors who have become as much of a status symbol as a designer handbag and just expensive. A web of 即係一籃子嘅就 web of incentives 啦，即係好多咁解啦。A web of incentive 即係有誘因就係 incentive 啦，吸引人嘅嘢就係一啲 incentives 啊。譬如間公司俾一啲 bonus 你啊，俾一啲醫療津貼你啊，呢啲都係一個 incentive 啊。web incentive 啊，請啲明星去做表演啦，free gifts 啦。Gift redemption points， gift redemption